Law Group. We are a law firm concentrated in men's and fathers' rights in divorce, custody, and family law issues, with offices in Montclair and Nutley, New Jersey. I am also the proud author of How to Survive and Thrive When Divorcing a Narcissist. Not the topic of my video today, but if you're interested in that book, if you're dealing with those issues, you can find editions on Amazon.com. It was a 3-list bestseller.
It sounds like you're asking about
Excuse me.
.com.
Cancel.
To hear something
Amazon.
about
Cancel.
canceling.
Technology can be really inconvenient at times. So if you do want to search for that book on that certain website that I won't mention, just run my name and it'll come up. There's actually 2 books that one I wrote, one I contributed to, but nonetheless. So today is my daily tip, in which I am covering a special edition for this week at least, the special legal issues that I think are confronting clients due to the COVID-19 pandemic quarantine. So today I'm dealing with the question of, are the courts open during this pandemic? And the simple answer is yes, the courts are open and they are functioning. They have a skeleton staff, and this is at least in New Jersey, but I'm assuming probably nationwide, but I do need to mention this is on May 31st. It is specific to New Jersey. If you're watching a different time or different location, obviously the information may be different. But as of today, the courts are functioning. They have a skeleton crew of staff that are there. Judges are coming in for certain hearings. Many are appearing by phone. They are open for filing. You cannot go to the courthouse. You cannot enter the courthouse, but you certainly can file documents. You send them through regular mail. There are certain delivery services that have made arrangements with them. Also, email and faxes are being used with increasing consistency now. My usual recommendation to both my staff and anybody on their own is to call the courthouse yourself, depending on the type of matter. If you have a divorce matter, you want to call the family court, ask for the matrimonial office clerk's part, or the clerk's office matrimonial part, and ask them for the judge that's handling a certain matter and the filing procedure specifically for him or her. Certain judges are taking email, some are taking faxes, some are just taking standard mail. So you want to find out if you have a non-divorce action, domestic violence, parenting time, child support, then it's the non-dissolution office. Do the same thing. Call the court, ask for the non-dissolution clerk's office, ask for the judge that's going to handle the certain case that you're talking about, and call that chambers and find out the filing status and the different options that you have. As far as appearing, certainly a lot of being done by telephone, simple phone calls, cell phone, make sure the staff has your phone number. A lot of the courts are using zoom.com, so I'd recommend that you subscribe to that. It's a free service for a limited basis, few memberships, limited amount of time. It's probably more than you're going to need. But that should cover it. So the short answer is that they're opening, but you need to call the specific judge to your case just to find out how you get documents and how they're going to have court appearances. For those tuning in, I did an episode yesterday on parenting time issues. I recommend if you have children involved, you watch it. It's a question I'm asked a dozen times a day since this pandemic has struck, and hopefully that tip will help you. Hopefully this one helps you also. If it does, please give a like and share it so that other people get to see it. I know this is a very challenging time for people. My condolences to those that have lost friends and family, and for those that are suffering, maybe lost their jobs or whatever else it may be. We're all here for you. We know what you're going through, and hopefully and expectedly we will all get through it. In the meantime, if there's something that you want me to cover, message me from whatever platform you're watching, and I'll do my best to cover it for you. With that, I wish you a safe and happy